Here I have INFINIX S5, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So first of all, you have to open screen which you want to capture. For example, it could be settings list. And then what you have to do is to hold down power key and volume down for about a second, like this. And a screenshot will be taken. Let me show you one more time. Power key, volume down at the same time for about a second, and that's how you take screenshot. The second method for screenshot is you just go to the upper bar, and here you have this button, screenshot. You can find your screenshot in gallery, in album section, and the screenshots album here, and here is our screenshots. And from here you can share, edit or delete it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.